as you get started with Hyperdocs, there are going to be a couple things that you can do that will make it easier on you. If you have had the shared resources folder or the 4th grade folder or whichever folder it was that was shared with you, if you've had it shared, it's going to be under the Share With Me tab. For me, it is not because it originated with me, but find that folder, and for instance, if this were the folder, when I highlight it, you're going to see this button come up and it says Add to my drive. So go ahead and add that to your drive. And I would do that, and then I would find that in my drive. So once you have that folder in your drive, and I'm just going to pull it up. As a matter of fact, I think I have it somewhere here. It's shared with me, shared resources. And notice there are several different folders in there. So I'm just going to pull up the Hyperdocs, and I'm going to pull up 4th grade. And that's what I'm going to add to in just the next couple seconds. So we're going to go to the Hyperdocs website, and this is a treasure trove of resources for you. So it's hyperdocs.co, not com.co. And when you're here, if you go to the resources tab, you're going to see favorite tools, and these are some great multimedia tools that you can use as you're creating your Hyperdocs. You also are going to find how to. So when you get stuck and you want to learn a little bit more about how to use Hyperdocs, you can always contact me, you can always contact the coaches, other teachers who are using Hyperdocs, but this is also a great go-to place. You can go to samples, and that is where you will find already created Hyperdocs that you can make a copy of, and templates. So these templates are great because they are already done, and all you have to do is go in and kind of fill in the blanks. So let me just give you an example. If I use this one, it tells me exactly what to do in each section. And in order to use it, I would just go here to File and make a copy. And I also can do the same thing by using one of the already existing Hyperdocs. And I'll show you those. So let's just go to Samples. And these are Google Drive folders. And maybe we want to go to Science. And I'm going to go ahead and find one that I want to use. And here is 1st grade lab lesson. So let's just pull this one up. And I'm going to open it and make a copy. So if I go and File, make a copy, it's going to be inside of an already existing Hyperdocs file folder. What I want you to know is that is not the Alexander County Schools Hyperdocs file folder. We're going to have to back out of that one. So let's just do this. Click and keep going back until you see My Drive. Then once you get to My Drive, go here and scroll down and find that Shared Resources folder. So I'll just keep scrolling until I find it. I'm going to go to Shared Resources. I'm going to go to Hyperdocs, and I can go to 1st grade. And there's a science one. And I can just select. And now, that's where I'm going to place that folder. That's just an easy way to do it. Now, that folder is now, that document is now in your, in this file for you to access, just like all of these are. So when you find a file that you want to use, you need to make a copy of it, even if it's in our shared resources. Everybody who has access to this has editing access, and that means you could open it and start editing right away, but unfortunately, that would probably make it a little more difficult for all of us who want to use it because the original has been tampered with. So find one you want. So let's just say we want to use this one. What you will do is make a copy and then put it in whatever folder you want for your uses. That way, it's still there when others want to use it.